Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you
How to add blue bottom border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we go to the page layout menu. Select the size drop down menu and choose your size. Now I am select letter. Then zoom out the document and select the page. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the borders drop down menu. Select the line color, select blue. Go back again and select the bottom border. Then go to the file menu, select print option and check the preview. We can see we add the blue bottom border easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.